Siyakhuleke makhosini oh haye siyakhuleke makhosini ay siyakhuleke emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu emakhosini bantwana bethonga. Welcome back to i-channel kagogo Patricia. Abantu abadala namhlanje sizokhuluma ngetopic affects a lot of people, but because of us pay attention to yona noma asicapheli, then ziyakhala ziyalila ngiyakutshela. So sizokhuluma ngokukhunga umuntu othandana naye, right? Umuntu othi gogo yini ukukhunga, it's sort of like in simpler terms ukukhunga ukumbathisana noma ukukhunga idlozi, ukulithenga, but not ukulithenga per se, but ukulincenga yabo somewhere maybe as I keep on explaining you will get to understand what I'm meaning by uyalithenga noma uyalishada idlozi noma so umuntu onabantu abadala uthandana nomuntu omunye onabantu abadala, right? But wena imimoya yakho seyiphakeme, seyiphakeme kangaka le mimoya yalo omunye ayikakaphakami, maybe mhlambe kusaneyinkinga emndenini, laba they want to act like bosses, and that time when you are a woman laba bakho bafuna ukuqhwagela labo ukuthi no cha, we are the bosses here. Remember, whatever that you do as umntana wedlozi kuhlangane amadlozi before kuhlangana nina. Whatever that you do in the physical, it's happening in the spiritual. That's why basho ukuthi ukulala nomuntu kubalekile ukuthi ubheke ukuthi ulalana nomuntu onjani. Ulalana nomuntu onamafa amnyama, ulalana nomuntu oneyikolodo, because trust me guys, yabona that one topic for another day. But it's very important to check the person olalala naye, because it's very difficult umuntu osebumkhanyeni adonse umuntu amdonsele ebukhanyeni, but it's very easy for umuntu osebumnyameni adonse umuntu amdonsele ebumnyameni. Now fanele nikhunge idlozi ukuthi labantu bangalwisani, ngoba ekulwisaneni kwabo labantu kulwisana nina. That means the relationship will not work. Labantu abahlalisananga, kunamakhosi amabili, mhlambe nginamakhosi naye unamakhosi, bathi hayi cha thina singamakhosi asiguqi, nabakhe bathi hayi cha thina singamakhosi asiguqi asincengi futhi. Bafike nabami bathi hayi futhi thina sidinga endoda ukuthi isiphilise noma asidinga endoda ukuthi sinakekele, we can take care of our child. Nalaba bathi hayibo uyabona, that's why isilungu isithi two bulls cannot rule in one kraal or cannot stay in one kraal. Ngeke kube namakhosi amabili esibayeni esodwa. Now that's when you khunga the dlozes. But now how you khunga the dlozes, it's very important, because you need to know and find out ukuthi umuntu wakho umbethwa abantu abanjani, and ubani umnikazi womsebenzi, and ufuna ukukhungwa kanjani. Mhlambe ukukhunga, guys, it's not amalobolo. It's not that you're gonna pop out 10,000 rand, 5,000 rand. No, you can even khunga with 10 rand. That's what people don't know. You can even khunga with 2 rand. What's important is the intention, right? Bazokutshela ukuthi no thina sikhunga, okay uze nenkukhu or uze okay sifuna i10 rand, okay kodwa mina salokazi ngicela ungakhohlwa iphiniva, ngiphuna iphiniva. Omunye athi mina khehla ngicela ungakhohlwa induku yami nesigcoko. Omunye athi ene ngicela ungilethele iBB mawuceda. We understand? So now how you khunga the dlozi, it's very important. Don't khunga the dlozi and generalize it. That's why I don't want to go into details in terms of how you actually khunga the dlozis, because it's not one size fits all. Kiyahluka, abantu bethu abafani. And ukhumbula ukuthi mawungamisa the important person ongimphethe umqondo ukuthi ufunani, cha umosha isikhathi sakho. Somebody might be like, okay, gogo, mina I was married, right? Ngishadile, it's been 10 years, ngicace kahle ngokwesintu, konke lokho, right? Kodwa I only found out years later, or I'm only recently found out that I'm spiritually gifted, and umuntu wami naye we found out ukuthi manje maybe he's spiritually gifted, or one partner is spiritually gifted. Now what happens is that unfortunately you still have to kunga the dlozis. You have to kunga the dlozis. I'm not talking about into yokulobola idlozi. That's going to be another topic for a day. Kodwa you have to kunga the dlozis. Fanele nibakhunge. You understand? Ukuthi labantu bazobambisana, kuzoba nokuthula, kuzoba nenjabulo phakathi kwekhaya. If you are both spiritually gifted, you have to kunga my dlozi. I also have to kunga your dlozi. So it's not one-sided. It's not one-sided. It's not. Akusukuthi hey indoda fanele ikhunge idlozi lami. No, nami fanele ngilikhunge idlozi lakhe. Kuthi babambisane, basebenzisane. Sibe into enye, sibe moya munye. You understand? Now, even if you're not married, you can kunga the dlozi, but it's very dangerous, noma it's very selfish if umuntu uzokhunga idlozi ekubeni wena uyazi ukuthi awukaqedi ukudlala. We are in a relationship, uzwana noThembu, uzwana noSimangelo, uzwana noLerato, uzwana noBuitumelo, uzwana noKatekani. Now you come and you're like, let's kunga the dlozis. Why are you doing that? Awukho serious ngami. Uzokhunga idlozi lami then kusasa wathi ungishiya ngenjalo. Bese mina ngisale ukhunga idlozi lami bese mina ungishiya ngenjalo. No. It must be done, yes, even if you're not married, but if you are in a serious relationship and your intention is to get married, unfortunately maybe ama means noma imali ayikakabi khona noma anikaka afford. Yes, it's understandable, guys. Umshado imali. I like, let me just make a typical example. Kunomunye umfana wasesontweni. Umfana khona, okay, like yeah. Now they were like, hey mfana manje ushada nini? Wathi kanti umshado istampu nekhabishi. Maku istampu nekhabishi ngingashada. Ay! Ngathi lo mfana lo ijulile lento ayishoyo, but I'm not expecting it from him. But come to think of it, it's not a stamp on a kabishi, guys. If it was a stamp on a kabishi, mengizopheka istamp namhlanje sithenga ukhabishi omningi sibiza abantu sithi masidleni. Kodwa amalobola needs money. Kuyambeswa. Umsebenzi wokumbeswa, imbuzo, everything needs money. That's why abantu abadala bathi bafuna umhlaba, guys. They want the land back. They want the land. We must get the land back. Kodwa ngendlela okuyona, kodwa we want our land back. Because beyithi abantu abadala mabafuna ukuyenza umsebenzi bebavele bayesibayeni bathi sifuna lembuzo, umkhulu athi ngifuna leya nkomo, kuyahlatshwa kuphelile. Manje unfortunately because of isimo noma because of isikhathi esiphila kusona, yonke into idinga imali. Right? So makusetshenzeni madoda asebenzani. Khunga umntana abantu, khunga idlozi lomntana abantu mangabe uzimisele ngaye. Mangabe awukakazimisele ngaye, mangabe wena usafuna ukudlala noma awukakabi ready, don't waste anybody's time. Don't waste anybody's time. Beka ngempilo yakho, do what you're supposed to do. Yabani, qhubeka udlale, maso ready you'll come back. Kodwa ungadlali ngedlozi lami, ungadlala ngami, kodwa hayi ngedlozi lami uzolimala. Uzolimala mfanami, uzolimala ngeke kuze kube mnandi. Yabani, and akubhlungu because mina I wouldn't want to see somebody that ngiyamthanda ube ngimthanda izinto seziyambhedela. No, it's gonna hurt. But ungadlali ngami. If you want to kunga my dlozi knowing that hey, you are ready, you are serious, you are prepared. Yabani, you are prepared. But anyways, guys, if if you've got any questions, please leave your questions down below on the comments section. Ndingakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ukuklicka on that subscribe button, and ndingakhohlwa ukushareisha ama videos wami. I'm available on TikTok, which is Ukoko Patricia. My numbers are there in my bio if you need my numbers for consultation. If you need any dream interpretation, you send me WhatsApp, I charge. Consultation, I charge. So my consultation, it's imali. Idlozi liyakhanyisela abantwana bethonga. Yabona bayavuma. emakhosini lesedi kganya qamaku ndawu